is open. We got to this London low. We didn't take it. We just matched it really. And we're pumping high immediately. Oh, nice push immediately. Pushing higher. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Amazing push. Straight away. $77 target, probably. Okay, so we just hit yesterday's high. Oops. What did I do? Just move that. Pumping. Huge candle. 64. 71. Are we pushing towards that high? 84. Mm. Okay. So yeah, we do have a decent candle here. Ooh, a lot of selling just came. A lot of selling came. It might take a little bit of time. It might be this brother up here. The 3 minutes, 5 minutes as well. Well, the only problem is that they pushed towards this overnight high. They didn't take it. Similar story here. Overnight low. They didn't take it. So none of the liquidity has been taken. I mean, apart from yesterday's high, they did push into yesterday's high. Let's have a look a little bit. So they did grab that yesterday for a push. Fine. They did grab this liquidity yesterday. Let me mark that. You know, they collected that liquidity as well. All right. Well, we just took that. We might go into this overnight high. One more time. 72, 73. And initial push. I think what I would like to see is push into that and then drop, collect it again. Collect it second time. Nasdaq is pretty much the same place. So Russell is already dumping. Dollar is going down. We have data. We have final services PMI in 5 minutes, and we have ISM services PMA and 10 a.m. Initial push. Liquidity at 66. So it's here. Could just collect it and push into this. Sell it up here. So I think I'm gonna go long in this area. Somewhere here.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can catch that 66. Now we have 72 waiting. Yeah, 72 2.5. So that's pretty much where we could go. 65, 64, now even waiting. So it might get down. It's the open. This is where we opened, right? Opening price is 64.25. Back into this fair value gap, and we're holding. But we have another 2 minutes till the news. Try to catch that on the way down. Dollars dropping. I should go and grab that, to be honest. 66. Give it a little drop, collect that, and then boom. Somewhere here. Here. Okay, 65 is back. Now waiting. Another 15 minutes of trading. So that liquidity here hasn't been taken yet. When you think about this 5 minutes candles, I should dump it into the 66, into the 66 area. Okay, so they're leaving that. Well, this looks like they're living it right now. Trying to push into this overnight high. Still trying, but hasn't done it.
Order
We are
canceled.
pushing higher into this overnight high. Nasdaq is still behind. I should be shorting that initial push. If I drop into here. It's a dangerous move, but that's what I should have done. Mm-mm. 75 is waiting. Okay, 73 stepping in. Good. All right. Let's try to catch this.
Order submitted.
73. Looks like it's getting weaker. Don't think we're gonna even get there. $72, $73 is just 1 point, really. Not ideal, but I think we're gonna go down. 52. You know, I would like to catch this a little bit higher. 73. Yeah, how about now? Push into that. Yeah, it's gonna go. What you need to do, immediately get on that. We did take both levels yesterday, high and overnight high. It would not surprise me if we just drop somewhere here. Even lower. Let's try to catch that one more time. There's still a lot of liquidity. We might come back up here. One more time to 72, 73. Maybe they wanted to catch a little bit of shorts on this drop. I'll go to 73, 74. Got 6 more minutes. I don't know. I think I want to catch this somewhere here, 72, 73. In this area. But big boys bought that. We were 200, now we're 348. Are you gonna get up there? Let's see if they're gonna clean this before the drop. Hopefully we'll get that. And after that we'll drop. Hopefully. Yep. Push into this.
Order filled.
Alright. So we're in for the short. Let's see if that was a good short or not. A lot of selling came immediately. But 4 minutes. And what do I need? I need a drop into this basic. Minutes. So yes, we have sold properly. There was this burst of stop losses. Let's see if we're gonna dump it now. $64 even waiting. The risky trade, but if it works, we're gonna drop down here. We might pull even lower. But that's fine. This is what I want to take. Don't be too greedy. We did take all the liquidity from the top. We sold into it. 2 more minutes. Big boys are negative. So from plus 400 we dropped to minus 135. It's all cooking very well. Everything is cooking well. Doesn't matter what the news gonna be. Liquidity has been sold, and now we're gonna just dump it. Let's dump it. 68 waiting. That's my strategy. If Apex asks, "Oh, you've been through the news," no, my friend. Liquidity has been taken, and I sold like everybody else sold. And now I'm waiting for a push lower. Into 60, even into 64. Well, it's not, 66 maybe. Well, let's not be too greedy. If I had to, yeah. Whoa.
Stop.
Okay, I'm stopped.
Order
Just
filled.
going one more time. So now we're gonna dump it. Come on. Get down.
Target filled.
Alright, we got it. Plus 162 because we took a loss. Didn't expect that we're gonna push that high. It's alright. That's alright. I can repeat that one more time. Because liquidity is down here.
Order
Let's try
filled.
one more time to the downside. Are we gonna have that? Alright. I got too early. Too early, probably. Got liquidity at 64 waiting to be served, so we're gonna get that. And they're gonna take me higher first. I think we're just gonna go to this 60 something. No more than that. I don't know, somewhere here. I see liquidity there. Sorry. I got too early. 67, I can see 67. I got too early. Just looking at this 68. I don't know. We might even go lower, to be honest. It looks like they want to dump it. Let's see if I can catch that. They're going to the 60, 78, really? Oh, really? So we're going? This is where we're going. Like, in my opinion, they pushed it nicely there. Yes, they grabbed the liquidity from that, but they have still time to push this higher. You don't need to do it now. I think I'm wrong. I am wrong. Now I can see I'm wrong. Yeah. There's a little bit of resistance up there. Somebody's selling into this. It would be much better if they pull this below the opening price. Take this London low. That would be ideal scenario. You know, that would be ideal scenario. They did this thing. They just dropped. Even down here. They could do that. Especially that 64 is waiting there. Quite a lot of liquidity. It's a huge spike up. Nasdaq is dropping. Also, the dollar is pulling back. I don't think we're gonna go up. I don't think this is. I think they're just gonna pull it down and pull it low to the 64. I think they're gonna pull it lower to 64. Hmm. The 64. I think it's coming. There's a lot of people jumped on long here as well. But the push was quite significant into this 580. Don't need to go higher than that. At least for now. We had a big move yesterday. Nasdaq is already dropping. Russell is pushing a little bit, but what's going on? 17 is to. We need to break that RTHV up first. A little bit of longs. A few shorts again. I think I'm gonna be stopped. 770 big boys. We have a little bit of selling here. Let's dump it. Let's dump it. Got this 64 waiting. We do have this 64 waiting down here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Need to break that view up now. Okay, big boy 640, so less than 800. Yeah, I see a little bit of pushing that lower. Yeah, let's not get stopped, because I still think we're going lower. Although this candle looks a little bit bullish. 300, 400. Yeah, but Lagarde is scheduled. Russell is pumping higher. Maybe we're gonna pull down. One minute. On the 15 minutes candle. So which way are they planning to go? They grabbed that 5 minute. Bottom closing higher. Big boys 476, so we dropped from 800 to 476. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful when they dump that to the 64. Woo! They will take everything. Yeah, got the 15 minute candle done. Let's see. Let's see what they're gonna do. Hmm. Looks bullish on the print. But it doesn't mean we're not gonna dump it. Especially the big boys are dropping. We're 800, now we're 400. They're loading a lot of shorts here, I can see that. Look at time and sales. A lot of selling going on there. Yeah, they're chasing it down. Look what it is. Tito is waiting and moving down. I think now we're gonna take that. Look at it, 98 on the sell side. Dollar starts to push up. 98 and 98 sold here. They are selling here. They are selling, definitely selling up here. And we didn't take a London low. So who knows? Who knows? Maybe we'll dump it into the loss. We'll dump it into the loss. 64 is waiting. 63 is waiting practically. Pegging to the downside. That's what we want to see. 74, 50. Pressure from the top. VWAP needs to be needs to be broken. Let's see if the 74 is will hold down. Iceberg on 74. $74 is holding this iceberg. Hopefully we're gonna hold it and put even more pressure to the downside. To get to 72 on the VWAP and go through it. So for now it looks only like a pullback, nothing else. But I see the 64 liquidity. And I know that they like to drop stuff. We might drop in 7 minutes. Can just dump it into the lows. Okay, 75, no trading. I just rushed with this entry. I don't know why I did this. That's okay. Alright, 72. VWAP test. VWAP test. It's a second test. The VWAP. Could go through it. We could go through this VWAP to the bottom. Still holding. Big boys are buying here. I think they want to go low. A lot of pressure from the top. But we need to break the VWAP. 5 minutes. Break the VWAP. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Push it down. 5 more minutes. I think we're going down to the 66. Here we go. Let's go there fast. Whoops, what happened here? The liquidity disappeared? Wow, I don't like that. I didn't like that. The liquidity at 64 disappeared. But 67 is still there. So we should serve them. You know what?
Order filled.
Because liquidity disappeared, I had to get. Oh, okay, it's coming back now again. Well, it's back
Order
then.
filled.
Let's go short one more time. Oh, the 64. 65 liquidity. There we go. To take that here. Or we can do something else. 64, 66. So let's go to 64. 65. Let's go 65. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna actually put my stop loss break even and let's run it. Let's run that. No. Dump it. $65 is waiting. Okay. Don't you stop me. I'm gonna give you a bit. Bullseye pegging. 69. Let's see if this pressure to the downside is gonna overtake that. 66 is waiting. Oh yeah. Let's just give a little bit of space to this thing. Come on, drop. Take that low. Alright. I'm not gonna be too greedy. Just gonna try to catch that. Stop loss break even. No. Okay.
Stop filled.
Alright. Nothing happened.
Order submitted.
Try one more time.
Order filled.
Bullish. Bullish.
Order filled.
Unfortunately, it didn't work. It's alright. But this is the cost of bad entry. You know, I made some money from here to there. Stopped. Made some money from here to there, which was great. But I still think I don't see this thing going right now. Just don't. Nasdaq is lower. Maybe it's gonna go to the 74.45. 64 board. It's quite strong.
Order
That
filled.
wasn't a big candle, you know. I'm gonna short this from here one more time. I don't think it's 251. That's not a lot. And if we break that now, we will go to the 64. To break this 15-minute candle, that 15-minute candle. So we have two of them here. One here. One there. Yeah. This is just the fucking beginning. I'm sorry for my French. It's just the beginning. 54 is even here, down here. So once this starts to go, why not even go down here, you know, just to grab that? There's no liquidity down here at all. It's just a little. I don't know, I think we have. I mean, they could get up there, then dump it. Yes, they could do that. But yeah,
Order filled.
no. I think we're gonna push into the 77. That looks quite solid right now. It's 800. We did grab a lot of liquidity here. We have a 15 minutes candle up here. Looks like we could go deduct it into this level. In my opinion, 700. Alright,
Order
let's go long
submitted.
and see if we can catch a long. Can we get that price?
Order filled.
Let's see if we can catch this up here and sell into that. Not good. But still can push higher. It's like a little drop. They have 5 more minutes. It's 15 minutes candle. Big boys are 822 now, so it's positive. They are buying. $792. Breaking this view up. or we're just only dipping into it. Hmm. Because we didn't drop into the 66, and this candle was 867, and I can see the big boys are still holding it. I'm thinking we might actually push into the 77 level here to sell. Before we dump it. Nasdaq is already pushing higher. Wow, Russell is just pulling lower. It's crazy. But I think this 77 is very possible. One more minute on this 15 minutes candle. If we close up there, big possibility we're gonna push higher. A bit of selling, that's normal. Just took the 5-minute candle high. Sweet. Nasdaq already making new high on the day. Let's see if we're gonna get continuation on that 15-minute candle. Either that's 77. $56, $54 both. That's okay. Okay. A bit of selling. But I think they want to sell into this 77.25. Basically take the liquidity. Nasdaq is making new high again. you're looking bullish, so yeah, no, I'm just gonna leave that here. I see a lot of selling. This push is weak. But yeah. They have time, they have time, they have a lot of time, and they initiated this move, so let me just try to squeeze this quarter out of it. Yeah, with that push here. No, it has to be here. I'm just looking at the volume profile. I see liquid is up to there. So let's just take that. $77. Yeah, I'm happy with the 77. I'm not gonna overstay more than that. That was my plan from the beginning. If we go higher, we go higher. It's okay. So my stop loss is break even now. Oh, come on, push it. Have time. Nasdaq is making you. It has just made new high and pulling a little bit, but ES should sell into that 77 to complete that transaction. So they bought that bottom, right? And now they will try to sell it into that high. This is where the shorts have stop losses for that move to the downside. So they need to push into this 77, even 79, 80. I mean, there will be obviously, once we get there. You know what? Stop losses will burst here, so I'm just gonna stay here. I see 80 waiting. It might take a while to get there. So I'm changing my mind now again. Let's just push into this thing. I'm gonna get out. But eventually we will push into that. It's just a matter of whether I'm gonna close before and then re-enter it. Because this can pull back again. Yeah. Big boy's only 272. That's not good. That is
Order
not good
submitted.
at all. I'm out. I'm getting out from this. Oh,
Order
come
filled. Order cancelled.
on. 263 big boys, you know, it's just a lot of selling going on in front of the level. Oh, great trading today. This was very unlucky. This thing was very, very unlucky here. And I got stopped. Yeah, now they're gonna push it once I'm not in it. Problem is with Russell. Russell already dumped really hard. Wikipedia is not doing much. A lot of selling. 27, 25, 12, 10. They have time. They have still 9 minutes. Close it here. Terrible. Terrible exit. But you know what? We might still get it. 72 is waiting, so let's get in.
Order submitted.
Let's get in at 72 if we can catch that. This transaction has not been completed. Yeah, we'll be stopped here pretty much. Drop. Not even get that. Got 8 more minutes. Nasdaq is holding 73, 72. Waiting. See if we can catch that somewhere. 73. Seven more minutes. Big boys, they bought it again. 418 now. I think we might get a grounded 5-minute combo. 73.25. Pull it, grab it, and then immediately come back up. A little pullback before attack on the highs. Yeah. Can we get down here? Hmm. 5 more minutes. Hmm. Four minutes. Liquidity 79, 80, and 85 even. Nasdaq is pushing higher. And let's see what they're gonna do now. 3 minutes. $73 is waiting. How about we just do a quick flash? To grab 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick flash, come back, and then go. Yeah, that's what they like to do as well. You know what? Many times. Nasdaq making new high. Well, Russell is going down. That's great. 2 more minutes. I think that they are too close not to sell into that. Mhm. Dump now. To grab that 15 minutes candle, 73. 73. To grab that. Okay, it's 4 p.m. That is outside of my normal trading hours. Anything can happen now.
Order cancelled.
After 4 p.m., anything can happen. So now we have a double top now. There you go. Yeah. Let's see how far we go. Because we might go even lower now. I mean, they would like to sell it into that liquidity for sure. They would like to sell that there. I think they've been trading like this yesterday as well. So. Yeah. We'll probably pop above this at some point. Yeah, it was the opportunity to get in. Look. The reason why I didn't get them is the time. It's 11 o'clock. New York time. It's 4 p.m. London time. I'm outside of my training hours. Shouldn't trade. But yeah, it was a good pullback. Because they grabbed that 15-minute candle. And now they probably push to sell into the 18. At least here. Now they're making new high. I did push a little bit, but That's not enough. It's just a half a point. So holding this long from here into that wouldn't work, so I would be stopped here. So overall, pretty happy that I took it. I should have re-entered it somewhere here as I was planning. But very unlucky stop. Nasdaq pushing higher. Russell is still dumping. Russell's gonna make a new low soon. Incredible. Low of the day, pretty much. That's what I meant. We do have FMOC meeting minutes today at 2 p.m. Traditionally, this is risk off situation, so it could be a trade. But do I want to risk and trade? It's 11 o'clock, right? Quarter past 11. Got to push to 80 now. Finally, we got that push. Yeah, that was the trade. That was the trade. Right, we did push into that high. Not enough meat on the bone, to be honest. The drop to here. It's 1 point. From here, 2 points. There's still risk that we can pump it into 85. And that will be unnecessary trade. $60.63 still waiting down there. Russell is already dumping. I think they're gonna distribute in this area 81, 82, up to 85. A distribution will happen there during the lunch. $85 is high from 28th of June. Nasdaq already took that long time ago. The 28th of June high. Big Boys 1000. I keep buying it. Middle is 2000, street is 2000. So everybody buying. Let's quickly have a look what we have. So yeah, that 15 minutes drop was classic liquidity pool. Unfortunately, it was outside of my trading hours, so I didn't take it. It could have dropped even lower. Anything can happen. Now we are pushing a bit higher. Liquidity 81, 82, 83, up to 85. So very possible I will continue higher. $1,200 on this candle. Let's just quickly measure that thing. Okay. I think I'm going for that 85. London will close in 8 minutes. Okay. Looks bearish. Let me just
Order
try.
filled.
Probably not there. Not the best place, but yeah, of course it's not the best place. Yeah. Unfortunately, I jumped on that. But we can go to this 77. Big boys dropped from 1,100 to 700, 670. So there is I don't like this short. It's not the right place. Let me get out from that. Let's get out. Yeah, let's get out from that.
Order filled.
Don't want to be in. I got that at the bottom. Not good. Big boys from 1000 to 300. That's very promising. A lot of selling going on. But I still think they might just reverse. It's 5 more minutes. Can push into that. So 80, 81, 82. It's kind of holding. They'll probably take the shorts up again. To 81, 82. A week. Minutes. Pegging to the downside. 78, 75. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Big boy 668. London closes in 30 seconds. A lot of buying, 23, 30, 30. Big boys 765, so they bought that. Sold 14, 10, bit of buying again. Alright, I think we're gonna go and grab the 15-minute candle now, the bottom of it. Big boys 825. That's, I'm gonna go
Order
okay.
submitted.
Can I get that?
Order filled.
Let's see. That was a good decision or not. Oh shit. Big boys 894. Push to 81. We grab that 15-minute candle. They want to go for more, or we will distribute here and go higher. It's looking green. Big boys 842. Let's see if we can squeeze to 80. $800 big boys. Hmm. I don't know. Well, it looks like my bookmark froze. We need to restart it. Let's see. Hmm. What is this showing? You could read. Big boys are selling. Really? Just gonna go here. Try to grab these 2 points and that's it. If I can. It does look like this market is struggling with pushing higher. I mean, this 80, 81 should trade. 80. 80 should trade. Easily. It's looking good now. Got some buying going on. Let's go for the 80. I'm not gonna be. Hmm. Yeah. It's kind of one-to-one trade, really scalp. Push into this. Yeah. It's 80-25. Four minutes. So 6 minutes on the 15-minute candle. Hmm. Not
Order
doing what it's
filled.
supposed to do. I see big boys dropped from 200 to 14, and I see a lot of selling. I'm out. I am out. This is how quick I change my mind. We might get another look down to 74 to grab another 15-minute candle instead of going high. Basically, we might finish with this 15-minute candle and then go low and grab it again. Meaning we'll take and make two legs down, leg one, leg two. There you go. Can happen like that. Yeah. Big boys. Minus 45. Nasdaq is dropping already a little bit. Russell took the bottom of the day. I should be looking for shorts, to be honest. I should be shorting that. Yeah, they're gonna push this higher now. Okay. Three more minutes. We'll create another 15-minute candle here. And that means that we can start to sell again. Street is negative since restart. Middle is negative since restart. FMOC minutes. And so we'll come back for FMOC minutes. I'm gonna finish this recording right now. So far, plus $87. Like and subscribe, and see you at FMOC minutes. Before that, I think at 1 o'clock. Yeah, at 1 o'clock I will be trying. I will try to take a short if we stay up here. The reason for that is usually FMOC minutes is just a risk-off trade, so you can basically short it into the minutes and basically close it before the minutes come. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. Take care, guys, and see you at 1 p.m.